fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Oh, what's up, lifers? Y'all think I was joking when I said we'd be back soon? That's soon. Like, bam. They also had one that I've seen, the Nessie, and I'd heard about the CullShad, but I had not seen it. This a little bit bigger. It's called the CullShad. It is, let's give you some, it's 8 inches long. It weighs 2 3/4 ounces. Sink rate, adjustable. I don't know how you adjust it. Maybe it's got some instructions in there. The color is Ghost Morning Dawn. I'm going to call it the purple-headed monster if y'all look real close. Yeah, purple-headed monster. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. The purple-headed monster. CullShad by Berkeley. Powerbaits. It's that time of year I've got a allergy, so y'all hear the sniffling and sneezing. That's just part of it. Oh, that's cool. I didn't see that, is it? Okay. This is how you adjust the sink rate. On the back of the box, it shows you where to put the nail weights. That is awesome. You can add up to nail weights not included, but whatever size nail weights you want to put, it shows you right where to put them. That's, hey Berkeley, that's knocking it out of the park. I'm just saying. Ew. Ew. Okay, you put the weights under the hook. The way they have the hook in, I don't really want to take it out, but I do like it. It's got a screw-in keeper in there. But you put the weights right under there. It's got 2 slots for them. Yeah, that's a great idea to make it a faster sink or a slow sink or whatever. Hey Berkeley, the purple-headed monster, y'all knocked it out of the park. I don't know exactly how I feel about the tail on it. Ugh. I mean, wow, it looks good. Okay. It's got a good dangle to it. Dangle to the dangle. I don't know. We're going to have to test it. This is going to get tested next trip. The purple-headed monster will be ran through the ringer tomorrow, I have a feeling. I'm going to try to get out tomorrow after lunch, do a little bit of fishing, and I will have a follow-up video on it because I think Berkeley has like stepped their game up way ahead of most of your big swimbait manufacturers. The Purple Dawn, purple-headed monster, whatever you want to call it. That's yummy looking. I like that tail action. Boy, she'll shake her tail. Oh yeah, that's going to have some thump to it. I'm actually excited. A lot of times I do these videos where I want to try them, but I'm not excited. I'm excited to go throw this tomorrow. It will happen tomorrow afternoon. Water's going to be muddy. Probably won't catch a fish off of it. I just want to see how it does in the water. Because like I say, with 8-Way Productions of Baits, whatever it's called, it's got Bill Milkman works for him, whatever it is, the Drunken Bastard or the Hangover, whatever bait that is they have. Don't buy it. I know I used to be a fanboy and used to always want to be supporting them. Just don't do it. Don't. That, like I said in one of my shorts, that was a $20 lube job, or lubeless screwing. They didn't lube me up or anything. It was horrible. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. He's never caught a fish on that bait out of the package. This right here, I'm confident I can catch a fish on. 100% confident I can catch a fish on. Berkeley, you can get them at Walmart. Go get you some. I'll link them from Amazon if I can find them. Probably won't be able to. Like I say, this CullShad, which I got in there upside down, I'd never seen or heard about until I was looking for a few jigs at Walmart yesterday. And there it was. And there it is. And that's the rest of the story. If y'all enjoy these little impromptu bait reviews, you know, let me know. I like doing them. I like talking shit to the camera. Y'all know that. But if y'all made it this far in this little cringy old short ass video, like, share, subscribe, and we out of here.